In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use IPVanish to unlock Netflix, stream NFL games without blackout restrictions, and watch pay-per-view events no matter where you are. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley Roberts, and if you have ever paid for a streaming service only to be told the content isn't available in your region, this is the fix you've been looking for. You'll learn how to set up IPVanish on your device, how to choose the right server for what you're trying to watch, and which settings to double check so everything runs smoothly and without interruptions. Let's get into it. And if you want to jump straight to the walkthrough, you can do so by clicking on the timestamps below. But first, I want to get into who IPVanish is and what they offer. So IPVanish is a virtual private network, or VPN, that protects your internet connection and lets you connect through one of their secure servers in another city or country. This is super helpful when you want to access streaming content that's restricted based on your location. So like Netflix libraries in other countries, blackout-free NFL games, or pay-per-view events that are only available in certain regions. Unlike some VPNs that slow you down or get blocked, IPVanish is known for being fast, secure, and reliable. IPVanish has servers in 113 countries and 147 cities and works on just about every device, from laptops to phones to Firesticks. So let's go over a few key features that make IPVanish a solid choice for streaming content like Netflix, NFL games, or pay-per-view events. Number one is no device limits. So one IPVanish account works on unlimited devices at once, so you can stream on your laptop, your phone, your smart TV, even all at the same time if you want. Number two is fast connection speed. So streaming works best when your VPN doesn't slow things down. IPVanish is built for speed and doesn't cap your bandwidth, which means less buffering and better quality. Number three is over 100 locations. So you can switch between server locations all over the world. That makes it super easy to unlock different Netflix libraries or bypass regional restrictions for sports and pay-per-view. Number four is it works on all major platforms. So IPVanish works on Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS, Firestick, and even routers. That means you can stream directly on your device or protect your entire home network if you set it up on a router. Number five is strong privacy protection. So in case you're wondering, yes, it's very secure. IPVanish uses top-level encryption, a strict no logs policy, and has a kill switch to keep your data private even if the connection drops. So here's a quick breakdown of IPVanish's pricing and what you get with each plan. So let's break down the different pricing options and how you can get the best price possible. So make sure you click the description to use our exclusive link so you get the best price possible. All plans come with unlimited device connections and 24/7 customer support, which is honestly rare at this price point. So if you click the link in the description, we'll click subscribe now. We can see the different options. So they've got a monthly, 12 months, and 24 months. If you want to save the most, you want to click the 24 months. This is going to save you 83%. So this brings the price to just $2.19 per month, which is insane. And then they've got the 12-month plan, which is $3.33 per month, and this is saving you 74%. And then if you want to just pay monthly, it's $12.99 per month. The cool thing about IPVanish too is they do have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So even if you choose the 24 months and within the 30 days you don't feel like it's the best fit for you, you can go ahead and get your money back. Choose the plan that fits your needs, but just know if you chose the 24 months and you saved 83%, you can still get your money back after 30 days if you're not feeling like it's the best fit. Okay, so now let's go through exactly how to get IPVanish working on your device so you can start streaming without limits. So step one, we need to choose a plan. So let's go ahead and click here. Then you'll just go ahead and decide, type in your payment information. You'll click subscribe now. Then what you'll want to do is download the app, and then you'll drag it into your applications, and then you'll have to just log in. So now all we have to do is choose a server location, and depending on what you want to watch. Okay, so for Netflix, I would definitely pick a US server for the US library or a UK server to watch UK Netflix. So all you have to do is go ahead and go to locations, and maybe we want to watch Australia Netflix. We'll click on there, and we're automatically connected. And here you can see how long you've been connected. And if you want to disconnect, you can just click here. Now for NFL games, connect to a location where the game isn't blacked out. Again, you can search locations here if you would like, or you can just scroll down and pick one. Now again, for pay-per-view, just choose a region where the event is available or where the price is lower. And just a tip, if one server doesn't work, try switching to another city in the same country. Some servers work better for streaming than others. Step number four is we want to turn on kill switch. Okay, so we're going to come into settings and we'll go to network security. So we do have to disconnect to update this setting, but we want to make sure that kill switch is on. And if you want to turn on threat protection, you also can as well. Then we can can go ahead and connect. So these aren't required for streaming, but they can help keep your connection private if anything drops midstream. The next step is just open the streaming app. So once your VPN is connected, just open Netflix, the NFL app, or your pay-per-view platform and start watching. If the content still looks restricted, try clearing your cache or using a different browser. That usually fixes it. Okay, now let's dive into the pros and cons of IPVanish to make sure it's a good fit for you. So one of the biggest advantages of IPVanish is that it works on unlimited devices at the same time. You don't have to worry about logging in or out or choosing which device gets protected. The connection speeds are super fast and there are no data caps or throttling, which means your streaming won't constantly buffer or drop in quality. It's also really easy to switch between servers. So whether you're trying to access Netflix in another country, watch an NFL game without blackouts, or get access to pay-per-view event, you can usually find a server that works. Privacy-wise, it checks all of the boxes. IPVanish uses strong encryption, has a strict no logs policy, and now includes advanced features like a kill switch and split tunneling across all platforms, including iOS, Android, Firestick, and more. On devices like Fire TV, the kill switch is offered through a dedicated companion app to ensure better performance, especially on low RAM streaming boxes. Lastly, it works across almost every platform, including Firestick, phones, laptops, and even routers, which makes it super flexible no matter how you like to stream. Now for the cons. The main downside is that IPVanish doesn't always unlock every single Netflix library. While it works well with many regions, some servers might not be consistent, so you may need to try a few different ones to find the best option. The interface, while super easy to use, isn't the most modern or visually polished, but it is simple and functional. But if you're used to slicker high design apps, it might feel a bit basic. So, should you use IPVanish for your Netflix, NFL, and pay-per-view? If you're looking for a VPN that just works without device limits, annoying buffering, or region blocks, IPVanish is such a great choice. It's simple to set up, easy to use, and one of the better options when it comes to streaming across multiple platforms. Whether you're traveling, trying to avoid blackouts, or just want more content, this gives you the flexibility without overcomplicating things. And the unlimited device connections just makes it great for families or roommates too. That wraps up this video. That's how you set up IPVanish to unlock Netflix, stream NFL games without blackouts, and watch pay-per-view events from anywhere. It's super simple. All you have to do is go in and switch the location. You can even favorite them if you would like. You can also, again, add in the different advanced protections. You can go ahead and turn on split tunneling. Also, there's auto connections. There's active protocol like WireGuard, OpenVPN, etc. And then, of course, the application settings. So it's very simple, very easy to use, which is really important so you actually use the VPN. Again, if you want to check them out and get the best price possible, our exclusive link is in the description below. These are affiliate links, which mean we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for your support. Your support helps us continue to make educational content and tutorials just like this. If you loved this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave any comments or questions below. We'd absolutely love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you find the best tools to stay safe online, unblock content, and stream what you love. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.